How to turn on repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can turn on repost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now reposting means having the ability for someone to share and repost your videos. Now if you want to disable or enable that, depending upon what you'd like, you can choose for the people to repost or not repost it. So to make them repost your videos and to enable that option, tap the three lines option and go to settings and privacy. From here, simply go to the option here known as privacy, and once you go to privacy here, you can simply scroll down, and here you should be able to see different sort of options. You can simply turn on repost and people will be able to repost your particular videos over here. So you can turn on downloads, you can turn on stitch, you can turn on duet, you can turn on comments, mentions and tags. You can also find repost. Just make sure that you don't disable the repost option there so that people will be able to repost your particular video. This way you should be able to turn on repost on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.